Hey folks, welcome to Dave's Kitchen, and tonight we're doing, well, kind of like my lockdown mac and cheese, but kind of twisted and kicked up a notch. We're going to have something inside, we're going to bread it, and we're going to put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. So let's get started. Okay folks, the onions are cooking, and all you got to do is get translucent. That's it. And I got it at medium right now. And they're almost ready. So anyways, I got some pasta here. It's already cooked. I got some sausage already grilled. Yeah, this is like, see? It's like small rigatoni. Small rigatoni. Okay, so, you know what? I'm going to do a recipe the next video, because I have to. And it's the KFC knockoff. And you know what? I did it last night, but it didn't upload properly. I don't know what the issue is. Probably a pork belly taco. Check that out. And I gotta smoke it. I gotta put a rub, I gotta smoke it, and everything else. Well, it's gonna take about 4 hours. So I'm gonna start it at about 2, it'll be ready by 6. And then I'll do the tacos. So, this is ready. Garlic, done. And we're gonna put these just to crisp them all. Just a little bit. We're going to put those in. All the sausage. We're going to put that in and let it cook for about a minute. Okay? And we're going to put in like the chilies. Mix it around, and then we're going to put in the white wine. Okay, and I got a little bit more than a 1/4 cup. We're going to do that, then we're going to do the rest of the mac and cheese. Okay, let the white wine kind of like wind down. And in the meantime, put the pasta in. Okay? Like I said, it's like small rigatoni noodles. I can't pronounce the name, but anyways. It's like small rigatoni noodles. And the reason I want those is they're gonna like take the sauce in. They're going to take like the meat in right into the middle. So you're going to taste like everything. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to take some pasta water. And the pasta water, the reason why I'm taking the pasta water, it's got starch in it. And what the starch does, it just brings everything all together. Okay, so I'm going to add that. I'm going to add our next secret ingredient, but it's not, which is like Cheez Whiz. And I got, well, just a tad bit more than a quarter cup. Not much. I have like, well, I got a lot. Okay, so that's more than a quarter cup. So that's probably like, I don't know, it's probably like a cup. And I've got a whole cup of milk, and there's just like probably about a third of it is like Carnation. And Carnation is just makes it a little bit thicker and stuff. Okay, so I got the mustard here, the grainy mustard, and pepper, I know you gotta grind it quite a bit, but you know what? It's worth it. Just a little bit of salt, and we're gonna add the Parmesan. And the Parmesan, just spread it out, you know, just to incorporate everything. Now, this is going to go in the oven, so remember, okay, so if it seems like it's a little bit watery, that's the only reason I changed the recipe, because if it's a little bit watery, it's going to go in the oven and it's going to get thick. What we're going to do is we're going to put that in a 9x13 dish, which I've got, I sprayed already, and it's ready to go. Now, next thing. The next thing, okay guys, Cheetos. Here you go. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to break them up. I'm going to put them in a bowl, a little bit of olive oil, some pecorino cheese, not Parmesan, but pecorino, and get on with it. Okay, folks, so I've got like a whack of stuff here. Cheetos. And we're going to take these. I was going to put some olive oil in, but I don't think they need it. Okay. That. And this is pecorino cheese. Another notch. Then we're going to put it in the oven for like, I don't know, 20 minutes to half an hour at 350. Uncovered. Middle shelf. Okay, folks, it's been about half an hour. And here we go. Yep. It's bubbling. It's crispy on top. It's ready to go. Okay, folks. Time to plate it. I don't know exactly how to do this, but I'm just going to do it the best I can. Oh, there you go. This is pasta with a twist. And you see the pasta? It's going to soak in the sauce. It's going to have like, some of the meat's going to be in there. And I topped it with Cheetos. Cheeto jalapeno. So, no big deal. So, there you go. There's the recipe, and I just had to do it. So, let's take a bite. This is my, like, test run on this thing. So, I don't know. We're gonna check it out. You know, why not? Spent all this time making it. It's here. Very good. Well, would you want me to say anything else? Do you want? But anyways, I had to do this because I saw this thing on TikTok and it looked like disgusting. So I figured I would do my mac and cheese, add some sausage to it, and put the jalapeno cheddar Cheetos on top. Why not? Instead of breadcrumbs, that's the crust on top. And you know what? If you like it, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, because I'm going to do a lot more. Again, I've been going through some upload issues and stuff. Like, I did 2 videos and I couldn't get them uploaded properly. And anyways, that's not your problem, that's mine. But anyways, hit the subscribe button and check out my videos and leave some comments. And we'll see you later. Take care.